never seen this kind of before. Wonder, wonder, wonder. I never see. Wonder, wonder. This God now, wow. This God now, wow. Let somebody say, Baba, 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 oh, Baba, okay. Baba, 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 oh, Baba, okay. Yep. So in this lesson, we were learning to play a particular progression known as the 1-6-4-5 progression. That's the 1, that's the 6, that's the 4, and that's the 5. So 1, 6, 4, 5. On the left hand, it's I'm using my number 1 finger, no sorry, number 5 finger, number 1, number 3, and number 2. 5, 1, 3, 2. Then here I'm playing the second inversion of Do chord, La chord of root chord of La, the root position of La chord, root position of Fa, and root position of So. Alright, so it's supposed to be like this. I never see this, sorry. I never see this kind of God before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I wish you could do that and sing. I never see this kind of God before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I never see. Wonder, 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 wonder. I think you should try that. Do, la, fa, sol. Then when you gotten that, move your left hand to the bass and do. That's it. So that's do. That's how you do it. Then watch me now. You see that I hit my Re on my left hand because Re can be used for Fa to get a more deep harmony from it, because a deeper harmony rather, because Re is the relative minor for Fa. I don't know if you know what that means, but it just means that Re and Fa, they are similar in a lot of ways. This is the Fa chord. It has Fa, La, Do. This is the Re, Re, Fa, La. Can you see? They are mixed up here, so it just makes them a close relative. So what I would do is play Do, then go to La, but instead of playing Fa on the left hand, I'll play Re. Watch the fingers I'm using. So I'm using 1, I'm using 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2. That's the fingers I'm using. 5, 1, 5, 2. You should practice that, and then when you combine everything, it's right. Now when you have that on lockdown, take yourself back to episode 1, what I taught the rhythm for Highlife, right? What I taught you Highlife is. Now, if you've not watched that episode, you have to go back and watch it. It sounded something like this. We used the do so far chord, so we did something like this. The basic rhythm for Highlife, slow Highlife. We're going to be applying it to that chord progression we just learned now. But there's something unique about the chord progression. This is unlike the do so far. The do la fa so has a difference, and you notice the difference. So this is how you play your do. Okay, let me start from here. This is Re now. You see that? It's still the same. Pa pa 1 2. Pa pa 1 2. Do la re so. Do la fa so. That's it. So basically that's that. You should keep practicing that. It's quite easy, you'll be able to get it. You can do re so, you can do fa so. Like this is re so. This fa so. So anyone works, but just mix them up. Now the next thing you want to do is to add passing notes to your left hand. So instead of doing, you double the la, so it's that's it. So instead of hitting them once, you double the notes. So it goes like this. So you're doubling the la and so. So that was easy, right? Now the next thing is to one of those double, replace it with the preceding. No, so watch me. So instead of hitting la la, excuse me, for that space you hit so la, which is 5 2 1. Do so la re la so, do so la re la so. So what happened is that the la la you hit before, you gave one to so, and the so so you hit, you give one to la. So instead of doing la la, you do so la, and instead of doing so so, you do la so. So notice what I did. Now music is all about creativity and mixing everything together. I did La Sol, sometimes I did So So. So I'll do it slow. You see that? La Sol. And the second time I did. So I use Mi to introduce the Re to make it sound good. So I did that very slow, so you get it. Now, if you're able to record that in high speed, then you will have something like this. See this kind God before, wonder, wonder, wonder. I never see, wonder, 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 wonder. This God now, wow, this God. Let somebody say, Baba, Baba, take me. So, but the one thing I want you to take note of is when I wanted to sing, I didn't play. I recorded it and played for you. The reason is not everybody can play, praise, and sing at the same time. And the reason is that because of the rhythm, the fast rhythm or the tempo, it affects singing in such a way that if you don't stop singing, it will spoil what you are playing. And that's how I think you should practice. Don't try to sing and play it at the same time. It will be very difficult. Record it in your piano and then sing afterwards. Or then or better you have someone else sing for you while you play. That's the best way to practice praise. Now we've learned a chord progression which is Do, La, Fa, Sol. These are not the only two songs that go with it. As you keep practicing, you'll find out some other songs that go with it. So have a lovely practice and just do your best. I will release continuation of this slow praise. When we are done with slow praise, we'll move over to fast praise. But for now, we'll only focus on slow praise, slow high life praise. See you in the next episode.